Hello everyone, there's news concerning virtual reality and Unity 3D. Unity 3D actually now has a very own Learn section about VR in the Learn and Tutorial section on the official homepage. There's things about a VR raycaster. That's simply an object that you attach to your camera, and then every object in the scene can trigger these observers events, like when you click on the object or even double click, or simply hover over the object. And you can read this and understand how it works. I think it's pretty straightforward. There's more on selection sliders, selection radial. If you look at this object, it's some sort of UI element, then you can make a selection without a gamepad or a keyboard, simply by looking at it for a while. I think that's a really good idea, and it's explained right here. There's more. There's something like my tutorial on nav meshes. They explain interactions in the maze scene, so it's basically the same thing as I showed you. You can send a character to a certain destination. Also, they cover how to select objects. They actually use the very same example as I did in my course of coloring cubes. And I think this might be done in a more organized manner. Like I showed you all the things, how to program them yourself, and that's great if you're like into understanding how it works. And like back in the day when I made the tutorials, of course there weren't these classes that you can use for it, but now there's a lot of support for VR on the Unity website, and I think you should definitely check this out, as this probably will be the way to do things in the future, and it will probably be rather simple to use, I guess. I haven't checked out all of it, but well, until now it looks very good to me. There's also handling for touchpad interactions, so if you're using the Gear VR, you can use like you can recognize all the different swipes, handle swipe. There's even more information about user interfaces. They talk about the same stuff that I did, of course, but it's all very nicely done. They talk about non-diegetic interfaces, meaning screen-based interfaces, and that you normally wouldn't use them in VR, rather use spatial UIs, meaning world space UIs. And yeah, give this a read, check it out. See where my tutorials help you and see where this helps you, and you will be able to develop VR games. Have fun.